Hello, and welcome to this gentle yoga class. This is the perfect practice to softly move your body and relax your mind. You don't need any props, so start in a comfortable seated position and lift up tall through your spine. Reach your right arm behind your back and catch hold of your left bicep. Inhale, stretch the crown of your head up. Exhale, release your left ear toward your left shoulder. Soften your neck and soften your breath. Gently turn your chin toward your left shoulder to change the angle of your stretch. Inhale deeply. And exhale, slowly turn your chin up toward the sky. Notice any shifts in sensation as you keep the tilt of your head. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release your chin to your chest in the center of your body and release your arm from behind you. Inhale, return your head back to neutral. And exhale, reach your left arm behind you. Catch hold of your right bicep. Inhale, lengthen your neck. Exhale, release your right ear toward your right shoulder. Let your neck and shoulders soften. Slowly turn your chin toward your right shoulder and change the angle of your stretch. Relax your jaw. Keep the tilt of your head and gently turn your chin to face up toward the sky and allow your neck to soften into the stretch. Slowly release your chin towards your chest in the center of your body and release your arm from behind you. And gently draw your head back up to neutral. Inhale, reach your arms out and up overhead. Exhale, turn your torso toward the right. Lower your right hand behind you and rest your left hand on your right knee. Inhale, unwind and reach your arms high. Exhale, twist to the left and reach your left hand behind you. Rest your right hand on your left knee. Inhale, unwind and reach up. Exhale, twist back open to the right. Inhale, unwind and reach up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, return to center and reach your arms high. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, return back through center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, lower your arms, cross your ankles, and roll forward onto all fours. Align your shoulders over your wrists and your hips over your knees. Inhale, soften your belly toward the floor, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and look up. Exhale, root against your palms, round your spine, and tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, peel your heart open and broaden your chest. Exhale, round your back body and draw your shoulder blades apart. Inhale, arch your spine and expand your chest. Exhale, round and curl your back body. Inhale, come back to neutral and reach your right leg back behind you. Exhale, cross your right knee behind your left and lean your hips back toward your heels. Let your abdomen soften down toward the floor, almost in a child's pose shape with your legs crossed. Inhale, gently rise back up to all fours and kick your left leg back behind you. Exhale, cross your left knee behind your right and release your hips towards your heels as you soften your upper body toward the mat. Return back to that cross-legged child's pose shape. Inhale, rise back up to all fours and bring your big toes to touch. Draw your knees apart. Exhale, release your hips back towards your heels into child's pose. Soften your abdomen over your thighs. Walk your hands over to the right side of your mat and stack your left hand over your right as you lengthen across your left side body. Draw your hands back through center and across to the opposite side and lengthen across your right side body. Return back through center and soften forward and down. And then rise back up onto all fours. Cross your ankles and release your seat behind your heels. Stretch your legs forward in front of you. Inhale, press your fingertips down into the floor behind your hips. Sit up tall through your spine. Exhale, fold your torso forward over your legs. Option to rest your hands on the floor or to hold on to your feet. Let your body soften downward. Inhale, rise back up and draw the soles of your feet to touch. Exhale, open your knees out wide. Inhale, plant your fingertips behind you and lift up tall through your spine. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. Start to slow the rhythm of your breath. Inhale, rise up and keep the same shape in your legs. Exhale, release down onto your back. Rest your hands wherever they feel comfortable. Allow gravity to slowly open your hips. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, use your hands to gently guide your knees back in toward each other and hug your knees into your chest. Keep holding on to your right leg and extend your left leg out long on your mat. Interlace your fingers behind your right thigh and stretch your foot up toward the sky. Option to keep your knee bent as much as you'd like. Inhale deeply. Exhale, bend your knee. And reach your right arm out in line with your shoulder, either into a half T or half cactus shape. Hold onto the outer edge of your knee with your left hand and guide your leg across your body toward the left side of your mat. Option to gaze over your right shoulder or to close your eyes as you surrender into this spinal twist. Inhale, unwind, and stretch your right leg out long. Exhale, hug your left knee towards your chest. Interlace your fingers behind your thigh and stretch your leg up toward the sky. Option to keep your knee bent. Allow the back of your leg to lengthen. Slowly bend your knee and release your left arm to the mat in line with your shoulder. Hold the outside of your knee with your right hand and guide your leg across your body toward the right side of your mat. Option to close your eyes or shift your gaze to look over your left shoulder. Inhale, unwind, and come back through center. Exhale, release your left leg out long and soften your arms down by your sides. Soften your gaze or close your eyes completely and allow your full body to melt down into the floor. Pause for a few moments of silence and stillness in your final resting pose, Shavasana. Feel free to stay here for as long as you'd like. When you're ready to move on with your day, do so slowly and mindfully, and give thanks to yourself for showing up today, and give thanks to your practice for offering you these moments of serenity. See you next time. If you'd like to see more classes like this, please be sure to like this video, leave a comment, share this video with a friend, and subscribe.